Red Bull.
What's up?
Red Bull.
Hi, Mitch.
Hi.
What the fuck is going on in here?
Everything.
Holy shit. Mitch, what is going on, dude? You literally pulled this thing out yesterday morning.
Yeah, it's ready for assembly.
Oh my god, dude. This is literally a heads and cam job in 2 days. 2 days. 2 days for a heads and cam job in an F-body.
Boom, boom.
That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. So you're going to have this thing done today while I'm in New Hampshire, right?
I'm thinking so.
And it's going to be running, tuned. You're going to tune it, take it to the dyno and tune it?
Yeah, I'm going to tune it.
Okay, cool.
No
All right.
boss.
Well, I got to go, man. I got to leave. Bye.
Bye.
We got to take my block.
No.
It's right here.
My block.
My block. It's got to go. We got to go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye.
Let's go.
Mitch, I love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? What a beautiful day it is this Friday. So, guys, I know you're probably wondering what the engine block is doing in the back of my car. I'll talk about that a little bit later in the video. But we are on our way up to New Hampshire because who wants to see an engine getting unpacked from a freaking pallet when you can actually go to the company themselves and check their engines out and see what everything looks like and how they build a motor. So let's get going. Uh-oh, 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 oh no, oh no! What's up, how you doing?
Yes, this is that.
Wow. So let me introduce you, first off, to everybody. We're here at Golen Engines today, up in New Hampshire. My buddy Chad,
Hey, what's up?
6 hours, drove me up here 6 hours. So we're finally up here, and we're in, I guess, where are we at right now? What room's this?
This is the assembly room.
This is assembly room.
Assemblies.
Okay. And then we actually have something here that everybody's going to want to see.
Yeah.
And that thing is nuts looking, man. Holy smokes.
Horse, and yeah, it's got another like 300 horse nitrous kit on it, so it'll be pretty badass.
So it made just about 800 at the crank.
Yeah.
I see it has mast heads on it and stuff.
Yeah, it does. It got a 320cc mast head on it that they don't really advertise. It's got Jessel shaft mount rockers.
Holy
it's a solid
smokes.
roller. You know, it's got all the trick stuff in it. It's got a Calais billet crank and Calais ultra rods and a full custom waistcoat piston with the hard anodized coating. Yeah, the nice black hard anodized coating.
Yeah,
piston.
yeah. I like the intake. What company's the intake?
That's Hogan.
Hogan,
So
okay, I've heard of them.
Custom made that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, for it. So yeah, we're actually putting a single plane intake on it next week. So we'll actually see if we can
Okay.
make a little bit more power. The mast has a single plane LS7 intake that we're going to be sticking on there and popping it back on the dyno to see
Nice.
what else it does. Yeah, customer's having a custom valve cover made for it too, so he's gonna have a trick valve cover. Just,
Okay.
stuck those on to get it run.
So this
we couldn't wait.
This is my motor, right?
Oh yeah, it's yours.
I'm up here for this one.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll fit in the GTP, but we'll make it work. We'll get a little
Yeah.
trailer or something.
Yeah, we get it.
It'll be awesome.
Shoehorn that thing in there.
That one, I tell you what, it wouldn't clear the cow.
Oh, more than likely not.
That is, yeah, I seen that on the Instagram. Golen Engines does have an Instagram. It'll be in the description below, guys. So go check them out and give them a follow. But this engine's on their Instagram, and it's prettier in person, to be honest.
Yeah.
You know, it's prettier in person than it is on a picture. But
Yeah, we'll be putting it on again, with video and pictures. We'll
Okay.
put a single plane on there, so. Which
All
will be
right.
next week. It should be the end of next week. We'll be sticking it back on because the customer wants it, so he wants to get it shipped at some point. So as far as that.
and this is just a nitrous motor, nothing else.
Yeah, NA and
Not-
nitrous. Yeah. Basically,
Okay.
he's just doing a nitrous build, no boost though.
No boost,
Yeah,
yeah.
no chargers on it.
So it made I'm assuming that it did make the 800 just on the motor, not on the nitrous.
Just on motor. Yeah,
Okay.
Exactly.
So how much nitrous does he plan on running on this thing?
300. So yeah. So it'll be.
So over 1,000 horse.
Yeah, no, I mean,
Easy.
Quite honestly, I'm hoping it'll make 850 with that intake, but we'll see.
It probably will.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm just guessing, which sometimes my guess is wrong.
I think all of our guesses are sometimes wrong, so no hard feelings there.
Yeah, so.
Nice.
Yeah,
I'm
that-
assuming some 350s, small block 350s.
Actually 3D3 LT1s.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? Oh,
yeah,
LT1
so,
engines.
Yeah, we're trying to
Check that out.
bulk the stuff up so that we're, if we have a few LT1s, we'll do them at the same time. If we have a few LS jobs, we'll do those at the same time.
Nice.
Those are LT1s that we're doing, both 3D3s.
Okay.
There's,
4-volt mains and everything.
Yep, yeah, they're all converted to 4 volts.
Nice.
All assemblies.
Okay.
That we're putting into them. And, yeah, one's going to be like a 500 horsepower, the other one's like a 550 horse.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so yeah, pretty cool.
So LSs, LTs, you also do Jeeps as well?
Yep, yeah, we do the
So you
4.6
all the
Jeep
4.6s, strokers
Yeah.
out and all
Yeah,
that stuff?
that's
Nice.
really, yeah, that's with the gravy.
So you do a whole bunch of different things, not just LSs and not just this motor or that motor.
Yeah.
You do a couple different variations of motors, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, and we do about 100 of the LSs a year. You know,
Okay.
We really try to stay to the, try to really boost that LS work.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's there.
Well, I think after people see this motor here, that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, it's a pretty.
That's a pretty nasty looking motor. It really is.
We're doing an article with LSX magazine
Oh,
as
yeah.
well for that.
Nice.
So yeah, so we
That's
actually
awesome.
just transferred all the pictures of that build over to them, and so they'll be putting that article out probably next week. So that'll
Okay.
be pretty cool. And we can
Awesome,
kind of
awesome.
be linking up with them and there.
That'll definitely get you some attention.
Yeah.
You know, definitely get you some attention. Maybe I'll get my car in there after it's all done.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know?
exactly. Yeah, well, yeah. That's
see what
that's
happens.
what they do. Yeah, that's what they do.
Yeah,
So,
definitely, definitely.
And they're always looking for new content. So
Yeah,
it's always
yeah.
pretty cool. So, but
Nice.
yeah, I can show you the machine shop and
Yeah,
stuff as
sure.
well. There. Yeah, as far as yeah, we there's an LS3 block. It's in the line hone, so we're getting ready to line hone, and yep, so we can
Wow.
take a look at that, and that's a nice piece. And we got our new cylinder hone here, the XB15.
So you can do cylinder heads as
Yeah,
well.
Fire this up, right, Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can fire that up. And get a
Oh,
little
okay.
video
We
of
can
that
get a
thing
little
going.
video of what's going
Yeah.
on with this thing. Nice.
Yeah, so we torque plate, doing a performance torque plate. That's another LS3.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, and then we got a few LS3s to do, so we bulk them up and try to do all the machine work at the same time. On that.
Get them all done, then they're ready to go
Yeah,
for
this
builds.
One is, yeah, brand new on. This thing's all automatic. So once he steps
Oh, wow.
in, it will
Look at
hold
that.
the size all by itself. He can walk away and he can run this thing.
It'll just do its own thing all by its
Yeah,
lonesome.
It's all digital around here. See?
Oh wow, check that out.
It knows the loads, and it's reading everything, and it's just doing it all by itself.
All the information. Oh wow. So you just type it in and it does its own thing then.
Yep.
That's pretty neat.
Yep.
Change to a finish cycle. So do it all automatically. So
Okay.
right now it's going to dwell at any tight spots. It's roughing. And when it's time to finish, it'll start going fast and go to a finish cycle to get the proper crosshatch.
Okay.
So when this goes down to 0, it'll finish to the crosshatch of it. So right
Okay.
now it's taking material out.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, it's been pretty neat. We just got it last
Yep.
fall. It's been really
A lifesaver, it's kind of gonna say.
well, technology has come
Yeah.
along to the point where we had the machine that was before this. We had it for 17 years and picked this one up.
Is that a manual operated kind of machine?
It's the same
Or
as
was it
this.
kind of the same thing? Okay.
Without the brand.
Oh,
So
okay.
you had to-
Okay.
you had to know
You had to
when
know what you were doing. Now you just type it all in and just walk away.
Yeah, before we had to stay here the whole time.
Oh, okay. I see. I see. You're watching it.
Yeah, now you're just walk away.
Walk
now you
away
do
and it's
something-
doing. Yeah, you can
now
actually
you
do something else. Exactly.
Now
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
can go through and do something else and keep moving. So.
Nice.
Yeah, we do all head work. We got in-house. He's actually just played.
Oh my God, there's more motors over here, more engines over here.
Yeah, that's our collection of cast irons. Those are all
Gosh.
old jobs that we're doing this month. So. All the old boards and whatnot. And then, yeah, we do all decking, rod rebuilding.
Wow.
Yeah, we do all boring and stuff right in-house. And yeah, I'll bring it out of the dyno and show you.
Oh, there's an
dyno.
engine dyno.
Yeah, we got 2 engine dynos.
Oh, 2 of them.
Yep, and they'll handle up to 1,500 horsepower each. So, yeah, that's
Holy
pretty cool.
smokes.
Let's go in here. So there's a supercharged LT1 that we're just breaking in right now. So
What's all done to that? Is that just is that a 383 or is that?
that is actually a 383, and that has got like some really badass parts in it.
Okay.
It's got a Calais Magnum crank with a big block snout. It's got
Okay.
Calais Ultra rods. It's got that same piston that the 502 had. The
Yeah,
Weisco custom with the black hard anodized coating on it. It's solid roller, shaft mounted, Jesel rockers with the AirFire 210, heads. And,
They're good heads,
and
good rockers
custom
too.
intake.
Jessel's good stuff.
Yeah, that thing will run 7,500 RPM, without any
Without
problems.
an issue, yeah.
And we got an F1A Pro Charger that's going on it.
On that?
Yep. House of
Holy
Boost
smokes.
House of Boost is making a bracket for it now. And
Okay.
we've got an F1A in the other room that we'll bolt on, and once we get this thing finished, we're just breaking it in naturally aspirated. We'll run all that, then we'll bolt the charger on and go for the big power. So.
Alright.
Yep, and we do all the tuning.
See, it says Holly EFI Live going on there too, and everything.
Yeah, we do all the tuning with the Holly, and basically.
So you're setting up the ECU as well for this engine?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool that you're setting up an ECU for an engine that's on an engine stand getting dynoed in. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's a Dominator EFI, and then we use the Torque Head 24X kit, on this setup here. So
yeah, because they have like the Reluctro on it. I've seen those before.
So you can get your so you get rid of the OptiSpark, and now you can run it, with
and we all know how great the OptiSparks work.
Yeah. You ain't got enough time.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we run quite a bit of stuff, and we do a lot of circle track motors, a lot of dry sump, road race engines. So we have all full dry sump capabilities, and we've got capabilities that do just about anything.
Nice.
So we do some pretty sure LS stuff. All of the we do Alan Hollandale's Formula Pro drift car. So his engine, which is a LS with the dark aluminum block with the custom magnet charger on it. That made 1,000 horse. That was just here last month.
Oh wow.
He's on the circuit now racing, the Pro Series, in that class. So that's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah, so that was a nice build. That runs it all alcohol too. So that's a alcohol motor, so or E90 race fuel.
Yeah.
So, yep. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. And we got just build them, assemble them, and bring them down here. And this is the oven.
So is that cotton candy? Can I have some of it, please?
Yeah, you could eat it. We might need to send you to the hospital.
You'll send me in there, won't you? You're like, we're closing the door. We've never seen this guy.
So we basically take any of the cast iron, we strip down,
take everything out, all the plugs and everything, yeah.
Stick them in here, shut this, and this will run at 800 degrees. It'll burn every ounce of grease, rust, everything right off of that.
Well, this one I brought you is a little greasy.
It will go
it's
right
not
in
bad.
there.
We cleaned it up a lot.
We'll pop it in there tomorrow.
So it should clean up very easily for you.
Yeah, well, so it'll melt all the grease and stuff off, and then if you look like this small block there, this here.
Okay. Oh, well, that surface kind of rusts.
That's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So all those will look like that. And then we'll pull it through the blaster, and look at these heads. See those? That's what it'll look like.
Wow. So it pretty much goes from that to that.
Yep. Or another example is, see this rusty 440 Chrysler?
Yeah.
It will look like that when it's done.
That's crazy that
Yep.
very rough looking block is going to look like that when it's done. That's pretty cool.
And that goes, that's from this machine here. So, machine here is our blaster. It shoots a little stainless steel shot. Yeah.
Oh, like little BBs almost. Kind of like small little BBs.
It's actually
I kind of see it right there.
See it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just all little stainless steel shot, and it shoots it at the cast iron and makes it look like brand new. And this machine eats itself alive.
Does it rock back and forth? It looks like it rocks this way too.
Well, what it does is it shots, and then when it's done, it has a cycle where it tips it and rotates it, so all the shot comes out of the hole.
Oh, okay. So it drains it
like
basically.
15 minutes, yeah. I've had this machine for 20 years. So, I mean, look down in there.
And it's working, so.
It's ate all that metal away. That used to be all solid metal. That's all down to that.
Oh my god, dude, that's crazy.
So, yeah, it's pretty neat. Look at the bolts.
You're definitely getting.
You gotta replace those soon.
Oh my god, dude, look at that.
It just chooses.
I didn't even know that was a bolt.
Well, it was, Brian. It was. We have 4 new ones on all the time.
That's nuts, man. Holy smokes.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool little setup. Yeah, it's the only way to do old cast iron.
Yeah.
Make it all look brand new. So.
That's a pretty looking Jeep motor sitting over there.
Yeah, we got one on the dyno too. If you want to.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that in there. Look at that.
Yeah, they're pretty.
I didn't really honestly know people built these things. Oh wow, check that out.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, we do 100 of them a year. It's it's not really a horsepower thing. It's more of a
torque
Jeep thing with the torque.
Yeah.
You can get your block unloaded, and I get that sucker in the oven and get it looking brand new, and then we'll get some pictures so you can put it up.
Cool. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely.
Yeah, and then we'll get that thing all zinged back together, and it'll be nice.
Awesome. All right, guys. So that's pretty much the end of the video, and just so you guys know, should I tell them what we're doing with that 6.0 motor?
Go ahead.
We're going to be doing a 370 build on that 6.0. It's going to have what? Waistco pistons, Cali rods,
Yep.
stock crank.
Yep, brand new GM stock crank, Cali's Compstar H-beam rods with the ARP 2000 bolts, and then a Waistco forged piston with the gas nitrided ring or stainless steel top ring kit that they sell with that piston. So
that's going to be
setup. Yep, ARP
so we're gonna
studs and so
everything's able to handle 50 pounds of boost, right?
Oh yeah,
50 pounds of boost all day long. Go ahead, guys, and check out Golen Engines. They have a YouTube, an Instagram, and a website. All that information will be down in the description. Check these guys out. Give them a follow. Give them a like on YouTube. Check out their videos. I'm sure they're going to have a lot of cool stuff coming. They build all kinds. Obviously, as you've seen, they're building all kinds of awesome engines here. So I'm sure you guys would be interested in seeing what these guys are up to up here in New Hampshire. But other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook, it's also Diablo Formula Racing. You want to do deuces?
Yeah.
Do deuces. Just go deuces.
Deuces.